Selassie. Music. This are the bad reading. Them can murder with you no reason. And tell us entertainment. Why not? Walk through the shadow of death. Bad mind, them I wish me a dead. The rest of my life in a jail.
Ladies, can I have a word with you?
Okay.
Okay, so my name is Queen Anna, and I have a modeling agency. Looking at you guys, I think you guys have the perfect body to be my models. What do you guys think?
It's a nice idea.
Yeah. Please, we are not interested.
Come and stand there. What do you mean you are not interested? Let her finish talking. Please stand there.
Listen to what she has to say.
Sorry.
That's fine. Myself, I'm in a hurry to go somewhere, okay? So let me give you my number so you call me.
I'm not interested. I'm not interested.
The name is Queen Anna.
Okay, we'll call you. Thank you.
We'll be expecting your call.
No joke. Attention, sell out as a chemo. It depend as she shame. Bow. Every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can done. We never bow for no pagan. That dealing over Satan. We say man we got the rundown. So they gonna need ma to Motown. Shy man is on go to Newtown. We better than them we no bow down.
Oh, it's nice. Oh, like look at the front design.
Charlie.
Talking about the woman we met last time. The one who was giving us an offer.
Yeah.
I was thinking about it. Why don't we call her and then see something? Because you're not doing anything at home. Like,
How did I even say the number?
go to your contacts.
She said she's called Queen Anna. Queen Anna.
You guys talking about?
About the lady.
You guys are still trying to call the lady.
What do you mean?
So you still want to do this?
Madam,
She gave us an offer.
Wait. Hello, listen. Look at what you're having. You don't want to use it to work and get money here. You're okay with this life?
I have a bad feeling about this.
But
What is that feeling? What are you doing home?
Where do you know this lady from?
There's first time to know someone.
Okay.
So please.
Okay.
Look for the number. Just try calling
Look for the number.
I'm not serious.
Hi, Queen Anna. You met my friends and I some time ago concerning about the modeling meetings. And yeah, we had it in my name.
Oh yeah, I forgot about her. She'll come around, don't worry. Thank you. We appreciate it. Thank you.
You want to spoil your food.
I'm so happy. Forgive me. What did she say? She said she will call us.
So she's taking it
For a photo shoot. So we need to go.
No.
Madam, let me give my dress. You will not go.
Be going.
You wear the pink dress. Hey, by you.
I won't
So when
go.
Attention, sell out as a chemo. It depend as she shame. Bow. Every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can done. We never bow for no pagan. That dealing over Satan. We say man we got the rundown. So they gonna need ma to Motown. Shy man is on go to Newtown. We better than them we no bow down. And a joke. We know you know them a joking thing there. What do them we know? We know you know them a two notes in there. Every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can done. Who is that? It's not love. How are you doing? Wow.
Yeah, these are the girls I got this time out. And I think they have everything. We should check it out.
Can you guess what to decide? Let me have you. Fine. You know I always count on you, right? I know definitely you do a good job. And looking at these ladies, I can tell you will make good money. And they also make good money, and you make good money. They have what they say, and they'll make it to the top. She will definitely sort you guys out, okay? So whatever it is, she'll bring you guys to me tomorrow at the studio. And then you'll meet my
This is the time for the photo shoot. I know you guys haven't done such a thing before, but trust me, it is normal. I mean, you have to just pose nicely so that the pictures will come out so beautifully, okay? Don't be nervous, it's just normal.
Nice. Hi. So please will be ready in 2 minutes, so don't worry.
So, as I said, don't be nervous, okay? Just calm down, bring your best out, okay? Alright, you can go in now. I'll see you guys later, okay?
Attention, sell out as a chemo. It depend as she shame. Every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can dan. We never bow for no pagan. That dealing over Satan. We say man we got the rundown. So they gonna need my to Motown. Time man is on go to Newtown. We better than them we no bow down. And a joke and a joke and a joke and a joke. We know you know them a joking thing there. What do them we no know? We no know, we no know. We know you know them a two notes in there. Every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can dan. We never bow for no pagan. That dealing over Satan. We say man we got the rundown.
Hello, detective. Please, I've been here for a long time. My time is running. I need to get back there. Okay, I'm waiting. Oh, okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Selassie, this are the bondage reading. Them can murder with you no reason. And tell us entertainment.
So I now walk through the shadow of death.
Bad mind them I wish me a dead. The rest of me life in a jail. Jah never lead me astray. But the enemy a come my way. Mr. Van Kana me than a hood and Salman a control. Gun them down. Don't try violate. Because man a better than you. Gun them down. You never like my thing. I mean never like your thing. Gun them down. In a zone go me from. I them man a pound and go. Not a blessing upon me, man a don't stop. Me is a vanquish, me not in a branch star. Or over you the inner the night, man a monster. Step on them fake, catch them not gangster. None of them bad, none of them can do that.
So right now, as I said on the phone, 3 nice girls. If we don't move fast, they will be on for sale. So please, react.
Okay.
If I don't go inside fast, they will notice the movement. So, as I said, no. I have to rush.
Thanks for the information.
Thank you.
And then be safe, okay?
You sure you are safe?
Like you.
Okay.
Yes.
Nana,
Stabudu.
you know I trust you.
Yes.
You have been doing a good job. Thank you.
You're welcome. You know I've been very dedicated to you and I'm never going to fail you, trust me. These girls are good and I'm sure you're going to like them.
That's okay. I've known you to be nothing but the best. If that is the case, we work tonight.
Okay.
I'll put a call through to the boys. I'll be meeting them tonight. Make sure you get the girls ready.
Okay.
The boys will take it from there. I appreciate you.
Thank you, sir.
Your Ross will surely follow you.
Thank you, sir. I'll be inside.
Okay. Done. I need you and the boys at my house in 2 hours' time. 5 p.m. You have a job. No job! Attention, sell out as a chemo. It depend as she shame. Every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can dan. We never bow for no pagan. That dealing over Satan. We say man we got the rundown. So they gonna need my to Motown. Time man is on go to Newtown. We better than them we no bow down. And a joke and a joke and a joke and a joke. We know you know them a joking thing there. What do them we no know, we no know, we no know, we no know.
Hello, boss.
Yeah, we are at the entrance. Should we come in? Okay. He said he's at his backyard, so let's go that side.
Alright, sure.
Satan, I say man we got the rundown. But they gonna need my to Motown. I say man is on go to Newtown. We better than them, we no bow down. And a joke, and a joke, and a joke, and a joke. We know you know them a joking thing there. What do them we not know? We not know, we not know. We know you know them a two notes in there. Remember back in the 90s when man a picking in me power, we no join his breeder. And me live on me run things because them my enemies left them a legacy forever. See me tell you when me do this, can never read me, bad mind them in a fever. Another ghetto anthem, let them know say none of them we not afraid of. Them one friend with them one hype over. I laugh me not care boy. Speeding over them like Range Rover. See them, tell them, Jivaya. Every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can done. We never bow.
Boys,
Boss.
you know when I call you like this, it means you have a job.
Yes.
I need it clean,
No worries, boss.
like you do always. Dan,
Boss.
you have never failed me.
Never. I will
Not
never
this
fail.
time. You know how I hate to lose.
That's
This is a huge money. Get it for me.
okay, boss.
Really?
Boss, boss.
Don't worry.
The
I'm
boss
going to
is
deliver
there.
for you.
Charlie.
You
Don't worry.
go in there, get more drinks.
Sure,
Let's celebrate.
sure.
Dan,
Boss.
I have something doing in there.
Sure.
I'll see you guys.
Boss.
Have fun.
No joke. Attention, sell out a sakemu. It depend if she shame. Bow vabu. Every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can done. We never bow for no pagan. Them for some sexual production, and I think we'll make more money out of the two. So let's see, we're going to win the two and see which one has the money we want, and we'll go for that. But I'll urge you guys to keep an eye on the girls and make sure they don't escape.
My boss, I respect you. I get a point here. This one I was in it.
Hey!
I'm really this stuff in there. I sure say them will sweet out.
I know my boys going to have a feel of these girls. Yeah. It's up to you, boys. It's up to you, boys. Definitely. Let's try and keep this work clean for me, okay? Let's make this go this time around, yeah? Selassie. Music. This are the body reading. Them can murder with you no reason. And tell us entertainment. So I now walk through the shadow of death. Bad mind them I wish me a dead. The rest of me life in a jail. Jah never lead me astray. But the enemy I come my way.
Oh, wow. It's good you guys are here. Okay, so the girls are in there. And you guys know what is at stake, right? So do your best. Don't let them escape, okay? Just make sure that everything goes as planned, okay?
Hello, good day. Please, we're here to walk you through the process of everything. I think yes, are supposed to be three.
When is the
Alright, so we'll have to go in there with you and show you how things are.
Yeah, hello, detective. Yes, everything is in place. Yes, I've logged in with the models and everybody. Yes. Please, you can come. Okay, thank you.
Alright, Alright, so from the view with my sexy eyes, I think you have the beautiful title. So please open it right for me to enjoy myself. You understand?
Is that what you guys do here?
Shut your trap and open your damn down those damn legs and let him enjoy himself. What's wrong with you?
Just look at this girl.
You guys brought us here all in the name of modeling agency. So what is this?
Just shut the fuck up and open your legs and let me tell you.
I won't shut up.
Yo, what's up, guys? Oh, what's going on?
Just look at this girl.
Guys, you guys should last give them.
Charlie,
Not the team.
your man won't do stuff. Make you do what you go do, then make you learn.
You last give them.
Why you get that soft hands? That soft hand thing they do, Charlie, you know
You
nice.
only force them to do something for them.
No, you see the way you talk for that phone right now. You make them disrespect them. You see that thing. It will be
I
nice.
have something to tell you, and that's the reason I brought you guys here. Okay, so I know that you guys think this is a modeling agency, but behind closed doors, there are certain things you guys don't know. So we actually sell leaders to businessmen, politicians, and so many other people.
I told you not to follow this lady.
But then how are we supposed to know?
Don't come and see what you got us into.
Don't blame us. How will we know about
Girls, calm down. Okay, there's a way out. Right from here, they are going to take you guys to a secret room to try to have sexual affairs with you guys. But this is what I did. I placed knives under every pillow, okay? I want you guys to use it as your advantage. Anything you want to do, whether it's to stab them or whatever, this thing has been going on for so long, and myself, I am tired. I beg you guys, please cooperate. Don't let them know I've told you anything about it, okay? I know you guys are disappointed, but please cooperate. Just do, because these people have done enough.
I knew we shouldn't have done this. I knew it. I knew it.
Girls, calm down. Even where we are standing, that is not safe because the gang are inside there. Please, just cooperate, okay? Girls, you guys can go, really. Right now, please, before they find out anything.
Attention, sell out as a chemo. It depend shemo. Bow. Every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can dan. We never bow for no pagan. That dealing over Satan. We say man we got the rundown. Call gonna need my to Motown. Simon is on go to Newtown. We better than them we no bow down. And a joke. We know you know them a joking thing there. What do them we not know? We know you know them a two notes in there. Every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can dan. We never bow for no pagan. That dealing over Satan. We say man we got the rundown. Call gonna need my to Motown. Simon is on go to Newtown. We better than them we no bow down. See them alive, I lie them alive. Keep on the envy me knock on the fire. Pull me down, I try them I try. But I never blessing a day by my side. Kana wasa da zaki, wasa da damusa muba mubaki. Shimona zo abisa manta da jaki. So inika isa we better than them. But we na qualisa too tougher than them. Vankisa kanka. One friend with them, one hype over. I laugh me na care boy. See them, tell them. Jibara, every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can dan. We never bow for no pagan. That dealing over Satan. We say man we got the rundown.
Thank you guys for coming. I've been waiting for so long. So the girls have stabbed the gangs inside there, and we've tied them. So everything is set now. I think we are good to go. I help the ladies drag the guys and stab them. They are not dead actually, but I think this is the perfect time to execute our plan. You deserve to die.
Girls, you are safe, okay? Can we talk outside?
Okay, sure.
guys are very weak, okay? So you go back in there, get your eyes on them, on the models. The guys are very weak, like I said. You are going out there to arrest Mr. Budi, okay? We'll lock the main entrance for you guys for safety. Okay. All right, so we'll get back to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you, right? Are you expecting someone? Check who's at the door.
I suppose you are Mr. Budu.
Yeah.
Time up. You're under arrest.
What nonsense! How can you just barge into someone's room and arrest the person?
Babe, I need a smoke. Damn you. How did it go, boy?
Boss, it went very good. I love that. This time around, you're making a lot of money. Of course, you know, we have a chaos and Queen herself. So you're making a lot of money.
You know? Babe, sit down. Let's celebrate. Join me. Join me. Let's celebrate. You know what? That naughty girl thinks she's smart. She was no one when I picked her up, you know. Trained her to be who she is today. And she wants me behind bars. I will make millions of money watching her die in pain. Babe, get some wine glasses. Let's celebrate. It's time to make money. Wow. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys.
So about the money.
Detective, you know I don't joke on my words.
Oh yeah.
When I say more money,
I
mean more money. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Well, there's no time. We need to start moving before daylight.
Yeah, sure.
You get it?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll see you. Yeah? Your account will be ready in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
All right.
No joke. Attention, sell out as a chemo. You depend a shishemo. Bow. Every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can dan. We never bow for no pagan. That dealing over Satan. We say man we got the rundown. So they gonna need my to Motown. Simon is on go to Newtown. We better than them we no bow down. And a joke, and a joke, and a joke, and a joke. We know you know them a joking thing there. What do them we not know? We not know, we not know. We know you know them a two notes in there. Every day man a bad man. I man a one man a can dan. We never bow for no pagan. That dealing over Satan. We say man we got the rundown. So they gonna need my to Motown. Simon is on go to Newtown. We better than them we no bow down. See them a life, I lie them a lie. Keep on the envy, me knock on the fire. Pull me down, I try them a try. But I never bless.